But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Hey guys, you don't know it's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. well. Today's video is gonna be 5 things you should know before starting a YouTube channel. It's that easy, guys. 5 things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel. Like a whole heap of una. Like there's a lot of YouTubers out here. YouTube is a very wide platform. We have people joining like every minute, every second of each day. So yeah, una don't know say. YouTube is a very large platform. I said that just now, didn't I? Okay, so I said it again. Whatever. Alright, but the truth is, guys, like, there's so many things that you guys need to know before starting a YouTube channel. Because starting a YouTube channel, it takes a lot. And a lot of us just look at it, oh, may I just go up on my phone, make a YouTube account, and bam, I'm up. It doesn't work like that. Well, it does work like that. But if you want to have a successful YouTube channel, you need a plan. And that is the very first idea, a plan. Okay, so as you guys can see, for this video, I'm gonna phone ask you good, but for this video, I went ahead, I wrote my pointers and stuff like that, and that is to show you guys that y'all need a plan. Okay? Yeah, we need a plan. So, yeah, guys, you have to, like, plan what you want to say, plan what you want to do, plan the things that you want to incorporate in your video before you actually jump into the video. Because let's just say that it helps you to remember everything that you want to bring across, and it also helps you to bring across the correct message and not leave anything out. Okay, you not leave anything out. Like, everything is incorporated in what you gotta say. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is ask yourself questions like you gotta ask yourself these questions. These questions are very important, guys. I want you to, like, jot them down because they are very important, right? So what is my channel about? That's the very first question that you gotta ask yourself when you are ready to make a YouTube page. This is very important, guys. The first question is, what is my channel about? What do I want to do on my channel? What do I want to talk about? What do I want to focus on? So that's the very first question that you want to ask yourself when you're gonna start a YouTube page. The second question is, what videos do I want to make? So you ask yourself what channel is that you want to start, right? Then you're going to ask yourself, what videos do you want to make? So you have to be like, okay, so we have cooking channels, we have fashion channels, we have comedic channels, like channels where people just come on and be all comedianish and stuff like that. We have singing channels. We have makeup channels. There are like a lot of different channels out there. And if you see that you're gonna start like a hair channel, you want to check out other YouTubers that focus on hair, you know, to see some of the topics that they've done, so that you're not gonna like just go and do the exact same thing that they do, but you're gonna take your little time out and you're gonna bam, put your little own twist to it and do you. Okay. That's what I said. I said it. So the first 2 things that you gotta do when you're making your YouTube video is you gotta make a plan. That is number 1. And when you're making your plan, you wanna ask yourself questions like, what is my channel about, right? You gotta ask your questions like, what videos do I want to make? So those are the first 2 pointers. Those are the first pointers of what you want to do when you're about to make your YouTube. And all this are things that you gotta do before making a channel, not after. So if you're planning to make a channel, please do all this before you make the channel. Okay? Do all this before you make the channel. The next thing that you gotta do before you make a channel is come up with a YouTube name. And guys, look, it gotta be a unique YouTube name, because you don't wanna have a name that everybody else has, you know? Because I mean, if you focus on something that is relatable, like say D, like I'm D, and you want to be like, oh, so I want to make a channel of her, like, so I'm gonna call my channel D Dolls or whatever. Like, I mean, that's okay and all, but at the end of the day, you want to use something unique. You want to use something that you will remember, something that people type in and it's very easy to find. And it is not a good idea to like copyright somebody's name, in the sense that to just see somebody's name and switch it up. Like you're gonna use D underscore official or D dot dot official. Like, that's just not unique. That's like thief. Like, that's not unique. That's uncool. Don't do that. That's uncool. Okay? Don't do it. I see you, sis. Don't do that. I see you over there. Don't do that. So yeah. So you want to come up with a unique name. Some persons rather to use their names, and when you make your name, you can actually turn it in your brand, because guys, remember, your name is your brand. Whatever name you put your page into, that is going to be your brand. That is what people are going to know you by, you know? So you literally have to come up with a very unique name, a nice, beautiful name that is easy to remember, that you're gonna be easy to remember, that people will find easily. Okay? The third and the most important thing to do before starting a YouTube channel is video ideas. Make sure that you have video ideas, guys. Like, don't sit down and be like, okay, so I'm gonna make my intro, and then I'm gonna make like something about myself, and then if that video takes off, you just sit there not knowing what to do next. Because if you do this, then you will already have your ideas of what it is that you want to do next. So when it is time for you to make another video, all you have to do is set your camera, fix yourself up, sit down, and make your video. It's that simple. But if you're still fishing for ideas after you started your channel, then you're going to have a real problem, because you're going to start feeling like, oh my God, this is so frustrating. This is so stressful. Like, I don't know what to do. But if you had already set yourself up and figured out your other moves, then you would have now known what it is, yeah, that you want to do. Okay? All right. Anyways, you gotta have at least 50 video ideas. You gotta have at least 50 video ideas. Like, you can search ideas, you can ask your friends for ideas, you can ask people like, what content do you want me to bring to YouTube? You know, like, is there something on YouTube that you'd really want to see me do? Stuff like that. So you fish for ideas. When you get them, you write them down. You can make a schedule, like write them down and be like, okay, so I'm gonna do this on Saturday, I'm gonna do that on Sunday, I'm gonna do that on Monday, you know? So you fish your ideas out and you make a plan. So that's what we're going down. So far we've done what is your channel about, we've done unique channel names, and we've done video ideas. Now guys, these 3 steps are very crucial to starting the YouTube page. And I know I might be sitting down chatting a bag of gibberish and sound loud and probably sound crazy and probably sound like I'm not trying to introduce you guys to the thing, because I might sound boring. But if you watch the video to the end, you're gonna learn something. You learn something. Okay? Guess what number 4 is? Guess what number 4 is? Shazam. Anyways, guys, so number 4, put it down. Number 4 is Make an intro, guys. This is so important. I don't even know how to exaggerate. I don't even know how much more to exaggerate on this, but this is so important. Like, y'all need to make sure that y'all have an intro at the beginning of y'all videos. This is very important because, like, your intro is what separates you from everybody else. In the sense that, at the start of your video, like, you have that unique little ting-a-ling-a-ling, like a little song or little video clips of you or photos of you just running up and down on the screen, and then the video starts. Now, that is what people will use to know when it's your video, vice versa, somebody else's video. Okay, so your intro, guys, is very, very, very important. You need to do an intro before you start your channel. This is very, 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 very important. Yes, to have an intro before you start your channel. Okay, now a lot of people have social media overlays on their thing too. They have social media overlays. Social media overlays is when you see that little Instagram sign pop up beside of somebody's video. That Instagram sign pop up right there, so, and it says follow the official, follow my Snapchat, follow my TikTok. It doesn't matter what it's telling you to follow. That is what happens when you see a social media overlay pops up. It actually tells you, like, more information about the person, like what other social media platforms you can find them on, which is also very important because some people use like Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and stuff like that a lot. So if you can widen your social media experiences, then that'd be way, way more better and perfect for you. So remember, you need an intro, and you also need to have a social media overlay, guys. And I'm done. Like, you know, yeah, I'm done with this shit. Like, we leaving, we leaving, and we know that. We know we leaving. So don't do that. Don't do that to people. And don't mind my book. I'm a planner, so I gotta jot down what I gotta say to you people, because I want to make sure that my information is valid. Okay. My information gotta be valid. Whatever, sis. Anyways, guys, so yeah, we're down to our 5th point, but I'm also gonna give you guys an extra. Okay, so I'm not finna leave y'all hanging. Sis. Two extra pointers. I'm gonna give y'all 2 extra pointers, because I want y'all YouTube channels to be successful. Okay? Yeah. Number 6 is prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for nothing. Let me say that again. Prepare yourself for nothing. Because when you just start your channel, it's not finna blow up. It's not finna blow up. YouTube has billions of users. And all of our journeys are different. YouTube have billions of users, and all of our journeys are different. So guys, if it is that you see somebody like just come on the platform and they're blowing up, don't be frustrated. Don't get lost in your own little head. Don't do it. Don't get lost in your own little head. Stay focused. Stay focused and tell yourself, I got this. Like, I got this. Like, I'm D and I got this. I got this. Everybody's channel is not going to react the same way. So, if you see somebody come on and they might blow up and they might get a bag of followers, subscribers, sorry, and they might get a bag of watch hours and they get monetized before you and you're on here before them, don't be discouraged. Just follow my rules. All the things that I'm telling you right now, follow them. And number 7, you got to learn how to edit. You got to learn how to edit y'all videos. I said it. Y'all got to learn how to edit. I said it. Now, a lot of people use laptops to edit. I don't. I use my iPhone. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, and that is what I used to do my edits on. That is what I used to do my recordings on. I use my iPhone for literally everything. I also have like 3 Androids, but I have a Galaxy, what's it again? Note 4, I think. I also have an and Alcatel. But these phones, they don't really give me the type of quality that I would want, so I don't use them. I don't use them. I use I use my iPhone because the iPhone, it gives me a lot of, it gives like it's just better. It's better. Period. Okay, guys. So here are some editing tools that you guys can use to make your videos better. You can use iMovie. You can use iMovie. You can use InShot. I'm gonna put some little things to show you guys which is which. So you can use InShot. You can use PhotoGrid. You can use a Video Shop. You can use iMovie. Did I say iMovie? Yeah. So there's so many other tools out here that you guys can use to do your editings and stuff. Please, 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 please make sure that you guys do all of this upon starting your YouTube video. Even if you have already started your YouTube video, these things are still important. Always have a little book. Always have a little book that you write stuff in so you don't forget where you're going or where you want to be. Guys, knowing your goal is the quickest way to reach it. Like, you want to see your YouTube channel like literally just take off and start growing, like where people will understand where you're coming from, then you have to have goals. Like, because if you don't have goals, then you're not going to know where you're reaching, where you want to reach. If you don't have goals, then you just have a YouTube channel, You gotta set goals. Like, you say, okay, so this month I want to be here, and next month I want to be there, So set goals. Set goals. Yeah, that's my daughter. She just got up. Hi. Good morning. How you doing? No, leave it. What, girl? Don't play with me. Don't play with my phone. Anyways, guys, I love y'all so much. Thanks for watching this video. As I said, like, I just started out, so my background is a little bit shitty too. I need to find a better backdrop. So don't make that, like, don't let that stress you out. Don't let it stress you out. Sis finna be fine. Sis finna be fine just now. With attitude and be things back at that. As I was saying, have a blessed and spirit-filled day. God is with you. D is with you. Mwah.